Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I want to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone 15 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on the phone app, go to the keypad, and you're going to type in star, pound, 06, and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI information. Make sure you write down this number right here. We'll need it for the next step of the video. Then we're going to close out that screen and we're going to go to Safari to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Apple, and the model is going to be the 15 Pro Max. From here, we're going to hit unlock phone. We're then going to swipe up, select the country we purchased the phone in, which is United States, and the carrier, which is going to be AT&T. And it'll give you a price of what it'll cost to unlock the phone and an average delivery time for how long it'll take to unlock the phone. Here you're going to see, you're going to input the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video. From there, you're going to hit the add to cart button, check out, pay, and then you'll get a response from the company anywhere between 1 hour and 72 hours. Keep in mind that to unlock a phone, the process is different for every carrier. And the process does change from time to time, so that's why they give you this ballpark window. Normally, it's always a lot closer to the 1 hour mark and not the 72-hour mark, but they give you three days as a buffer. A couple of important notes on the website here. There is a phone number at the top you can call, text. There's an email address and a WhatsApp group. So you have a couple of different ways to contact the company if you need to follow up on an order. And basically, give them time. Once you get the final email that has the steps to unlock the phone, you'll follow those steps, your phone will be unlocked, and from there, you'll need to then sign up for the new carrier you want to use the phone with. And obviously, iPhone 15 Pro Max only uses an eSIM, so you need to find out what their eSIM protocol is. Normally, there's going to be a barcode you'll need to scan that will take you right to your network settings, and it will configure the settings for that carrier. So go on their site or call their customer support and get the process for how to set up an eSIM for your new service. All right. Hope you guys found that helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.